Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to auto-fit the rows and columns inside the Excel table. In order to do that, I have created an employee table, and here I have mismatched the column height and the column width, and now we're gonna fix it in a very quick way. In order to do that, we have to select the entire table like that, and from the upper menu we're coming to Home tab, and from here we're coming to Cell section, and we're clicking to Format. After that, we are selecting the auto row height in the first place, and as you can see, the height automatically adjusted according our table. After that, we're coming once again to Cell section, and we're clicking Format, and we are selecting auto fit column width, and voila, our table has fixed its height and width automatically in a very quick time. Now I'm gonna show you the second way. In order to do that, we have to use the keyboard shortcuts. I'm gonna type also the shortcut keys inside the video. Don't worry about it. First of all, we're clicking Control, and after that we're clicking A. We're selecting the entire worksheet, and after that we are clicking Alt. We are releasing the key, and after that we are clicking H and releasing the key, O, releasing the key, and after that at the end we are clicking I and releasing the key. And when we are releasing this key combination, as you can see, we have adjusted automatically the width of the column inside our Excel table. Also fit the height of this table. Once again, we're clicking Alt, releasing the key. After that, we are pressing H, releasing the key. After that, we are clicking O, releasing the key. And at the end, we are clicking A, releasing the key. And as you can see, we had automatically fit the height of the table inside our Excel sheet. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. It was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.